In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Power BI to Monday.com. By the end, you'll have an interactive Power BI report embedded right inside your Monday.com board or dashboard so your team can see live insights without switching tabs. First, we'll grab the embed link from Power BI, head to app.powerbi.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're in the Power BI service, not desktop, and open the report you want to display. At the top left, go to File, then Embed Report and choose Website or Portal. A panel will open with a section labeled Link you can use to embed content. Copy that link. This is the secure embed method, which means viewers still need permission to the report in Power BI. And that's a good thing for data security and ensures only authorized users can see it. If you have multiple pages in the report, remember that the link will load the current page first and users can navigate between pages once it's embedded. Now let's place it in Monday.com. Open the board or dashboard where you want the report to appear. If you're working inside a board and want it as a view tab, click Add View, then More Widgets. If you're building a dashboard with multiple components, click Add Widget, then More Widgets. In the search bar, type Power BI. Select the Power BI widget and install it. After installation, look for the settings icon in the top right of the widget area. Click that and paste the embed link you copied from Power BI. If you're prompted to sign in, use the same Microsoft account that has access to the report and complete the sign in so Monday.com can display the content securely. Give it a moment to load. You should now see your report fully interactive directly in Monday.com. You can filter, switch pages, and explore the visuals just like you would in the Power BI service. If you see a permissions or access error, double check that your account has viewing rights to the report in Power BI and that any teammates who need access do as well. Also note that if the report is updated in Power BI, those changes will reflect here without any extra steps. That's it. You've brought live business intelligence into your Monday.com workspace, keeping your tasks and insights in one place. If this was helpful, give it a try with your key reports and keep your team aligned with real-time data. Thanks for watching.